Hi everyone, my name is Ankita and welcome to my channel.
Hi, good morning. कैसे हैं आप सब? Hope you guys are doing well. And without any further delay, let's get this vlog started. So bad. So this week has not started off on a very bright note. This week I've had a lot of trouble in getting myself a cab to office. I think almost I'm spending more than 30 minutes to get a ride for myself to office. आज तो हद ही हो गई. आज almost 45 minutes तक I did not get any cab. A lot of auto guys accepted but they all cancelled. I don't know मोदी जी क्या जीते उसके बाद तो कोई राइड ही नहीं ले रहा है. It's been so horrific. So finally I decided that today I'm going to work from home. There's no point battering on these apps. I was in 3 apps: Ola, Uber and Namayatri. And किसी में भी मुझे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था. And that is when I eventually just gave up at about like 8:45 कि भाई अब तो कोई point भी नहीं है, because if I mean, I haven't gotten a ride, but even if I get a ride, I'll have to spend 2 hours in traffic, and then the rest of the day follows. So आज work from home करेंगे and let me take you along. चलो आज ऑफिस जाना तो नहीं है, so let's keep it back in the place. This was my outfit of the day. Now I'll wear it tomorrow.
Let's get started with work.
Why is that in these e-meetings, the camera makes you look so bad?
Coffee time now. Ensuring bare minimum movement during the day.
ये है आज का लंच प्लेटर. दिस इज बड़ी चूरा, दिस इज आलू परवल की सब्जी, सैलड, दाल, आलू बैगन भाजा, मीठा अचार, राइस एंड ऑफ कोर्स आम भी है. Let's clear this and also clean the kitchen.
And it is spick and span.
So 5 बज रहे हैं and I'm contemplating कि मुझे चाय के लिए वेट करना चाहिए या should I go and make chai. I'm feeling very lazy and looks like there's some people outside as well. This is one thing about work from home, right? There's a lot of noise. There's a lot of noise outside your room which you have no control whatsoever. So yeah, so I think I'm going to wait for my chai rather than make it. Let's give it half an hour. अगर मुझे half an hour में नहीं मिलता है, then I'll move my lazy ass and make chai for everyone. लगता है मुझे चाय बनाना पड़ेगा. So let's get this started. ये दूध को भी गर्म कर लेते हैं. Finally हारते चाय मुझे ही बनानी पड़ गई because nobody needed it. चाय हम सब अपनी फेवरेट बनाते हैं। सो ये है पापा का, ये है मेरा। लेट मी गो एंड गिव दिस टू पापा नाउ। So work from home saves you a lot of time, especially the commute time. For me, it's a minimum of 3 hours that I, save when I'm working from home, and it also, saves me from all the tiredness that comes from traveling in the morning and in the evening. It exhausts you. I mean, people might say, "क्या ही करना है? आप तो बस बैठे हो कैब में या ऑटो में, and then you're coming in." But dude, I mean, the 1.5 hours journey to and fro really tires you. To sit, in that one position is really taxing, and we don't realize, but we really hurt our body doing the traveling and the commute. So the days when I'm working from home, itni rahat milti hai, and I feel that I'm more productive, and I really feel that I can get a lot more done. Of course, I'm not a full promoter of कि complete work from home होना चाहिए, क्योंकि office भी जाना ज़रूरी है. You have to meet your team, and meeting with people, and working, co-working really helps and brings out much more productivity. But once a while does not hurt, is what my opinion is. At the clouds. So it's 6:45 in the clock, and we call it a day. What perspective? So time to prepare dinner. So आज मैं मम्मा पापा जो खा रहे हैं वो नहीं खाऊंगी, because फ्रिज में there is some blanched broccoli जो मुझे ख़त्म करना है. So I'm going to have stir fry broccoli with scrambled eggs, and I think that should suffice. This is the initial plan. अभी आगे जाके वो क्या होता है, even I don't know. So yeah, let's go. Chalo, let's get to making tahala. Let me wear my apron. पहले डालेंगे इसमें गार्लिक, इसमें मैं डाल दूँगी ब्लांच किए हुए ब्रोकली. सा राइस बचा था वो भी मैं इसमें डाल देंगे. done. Let's plate it. थोड़े क्रीम्स डाल देंगे इसमें. Guess ये क्या बन रहा है? So all set for making the laddus. ये सारे roasted seeds को मैंने अच्छे से coarsely पीस लिया है. This is the dates. Just add it here. और इसमें जाएगा 1 चम्मच घी. ये completely optional है, but having ghee does not hurt anyone. अब ये सारे मिक्सचर को हम अच्छे से कंबाइन कर लेंगे. एक्चुअली घी से बाइंडिंग भी होता है, सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज यूजफुल टू ऐड घी टू दीज लड्डूज. सो लेट मी जस्ट कंबाइन दिस अच्छे से. सो आई थिंक दिस इज कंबाइंड अच्छे से. अब इसके छोटे छोटे लड्डूज हम बना लेंगे. इसमें बिल्कुल भी मैंने कुछ मीठा नहीं डाला है. जो भी डेट्स का नेचुरल स्वीट है वही रहेगा इसमें. So I'll just roll these into laddus and इसको इस डब्बे में ही साथ में रख लूँगी ताकि फिर से और कोई झंझट ना हो और एक बर्तन की. So ये बन गया है. Aim was to make 7 and I think 8 बन गया है. So good, 1 for each day. I think this is sorted. Nothing is more painful than continuously cleaning this kitchen slab and this. It's a painful task. Every tree. Alexa, set alarm for 5:30 tomorrow. Good night, Alexa. Alexa, good night.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा देन डू लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. खुश रहें, खुशियां बांटें, कीप एक्सप्लोरिंग एंड कीप डिस्कवरिंग.